This video is to show you how to CPU mine New England coin in Windows 10 desktop machine. So first, you need to install the wallet, the New England coin wallet in the machine, so in the PC. So go there, Bitcoin Talk and page, and go to that GitHub, and it's in the release. So you go there, and version 1.2.1. So you download this Windows version wallet. It's in a desktop. So what you can do is you use a 7-zip and extract files here. So I've already downloaded it. It's in a one folder. So once you do that, you can put a shortcut in the desktop here. So let's open up the wallet. So you see that should, if this is your first time, it takes a while. It will sync all the blocks. I've done it. I have it. I've already synced the blocks, so I have this everything here. So usually it's several hours to wait. Once you see that, so you see this is connection. I have 3 connections. So the New England coin, to mine this New England coin, there are 2 methods. One is a regular method, which you just start mining using your CPU. And in most of the time, actually, it doesn't actually work very well. The reason is there are GPU miners, there are ASIC miners, which are much more powerful than CPU. So in a typical case, it doesn't work very well. However, the base difficulty actually is reset every day, up and down. And in about a week, it's actually did do a massive reset. It goes to almost to zero. So today is such a case. Like difficulty is 0.000244. That's the lowest number. That's very low. So usually it doesn't work, but today it works. When you have difficulty that low, you can just directly mine in the wallet. To do that, you just open the wallet. You see this is already fully synced, and help debug Windows. You see this is information. You see 5 connections, 657,202 blocks. So in the console here, so you get mining info. You see this is difficulties is block number. The CPU generate false, so it's not doing mining now. So you can simply say set generate true. So get mining info. So it is mining. So if you don't specify anything, it will take all your CPUs, in this case 4 CPU, 4 core. And you can also say set generate true 4. That means taking 4 CPU to do it. Uh, Actually, set typo here, set generate 4. So set generate true 4. So that will work. Get mining info. It's mining it. So if you have 2 CPUs, you say, usually you want to take all CPUs. You don't have to specify that for. So that works. Usually, it's wait for several minutes. It will have the blocks show up here. So it will have 20,000, and you get a mining here. So I'm not gonna wait for that. So let's say now that's one method to do that. But there are in the most cases, it doesn't work very well. You what you do have is uh, we do have this called uh, Cheetah CPU miner software here. So it's actually in the same place here. You go there. There's a Cheetah CPU miner. So what it means is that New England Coin has a dynamic difficulty adjustment algorithm that actually, in the first seconds, the difficulty will shoot up to a million times. It's very high. And then after 2 minutes, it actually will drop down to almost zero. So what happens is that ASIC miners or GPU miners occasionally, probably 5 to 10% of chances, they cannot find any blocks, and they'll pass the 2 minutes limit. Once it's past two limits, ASIC miners or nor GPU miners can mine anything. So it can get stuck there for hours. So that's the time that the software will simply say that when you get stuck, I'm going to start mining in the CPU miner. But if your ASIC are doing very well, we're not going to waste CPUs. We cannot compete with the GPUs. We cannot compete with you guys ASIC. We'll stop mining. So that's the software to use. So here is the guidelines. You go there, find the Windows. First, you download 2.7 version of Python. So let's go there. So there is a 2.7. There's a 3.7. Make sure you download that, install that 2.7. Go there, install. Window X, Window X 64 bits here. So install here. Do. Actually, you can see here there is some immature 20,000. So this is already getting some blocks already mined because we are mining it. Difficulty is very low, so we're already getting something here. So here we'll continue to install the Python here. So Python, install everything. We do that. Okay, so this is showing us we're getting 20,000 New England coin mined. So that's actually direct mining. It works today. Usually it doesn't work. So let's say we want to stop it. Set generate false. So this will stop the mining here. So each time you want to mine, you set generate true, and you want to stop it, you set generate false. So this is already stopped. So we'll continue install Python. Yep, go. Here, okay. Info. It should be stopped. Yep, stop. Okay, complete. So we've installed Python. Go back, say. Then you actually need to set up and do additional ones. So this is in